Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to get all Blender versions in just one click. Then you can get every version of the Blender. First, you can just go to my video descriptions, or you can just type in your browser download.blender.org/release. Just use this link. Once you click into that, it is going to lead you to the index of release. You can download every versions of the Blender in the history. It included the earliest version of Blender 1.0 for every updated versions until the latest versions Blender 4.1. You can get all versions. That's all for today about my sharings of how to get all Blender version in one click. Thanks for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos or tutorials, you can receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!